In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can format a pivot table to make it look a lot nicer in just a few minutes. So here we have a pivot table of active customers and satisfaction score by month. And as you can see, it gets the job done, but it's very wide and not very pretty. The easiest thing we can do is first change the color of the pivot table by going to the Design tab and going to Pivot Table Styles and clicking on this drop-down arrow right here and picking the one that best fits our needs. As you can see, there's light options, there's medium options, and there's also darker options. You can use the new pivot table styles and really customize this to be whatever you want it to be, more or less, but I found that 90% of the time, these default options work fine. And let's say I want this green right here, for example. Now, in this example, we want to make the pivot table more narrow. By default, pivot tables name the columns with the calculation and the column name. But we can rename this easily by clicking on the title and just renaming it like so. For example, let's just say you want this to be customers instead of active customers. As you can see now, all the column names are just customers. Instead of average or satisfaction score, we can just call this score. As you can see, now the columns are customers and score, and then we can make this much more narrow by going to the Home tab, Format, and then Auto Fit Column Width. And now, as you can see, this pivot table is much more narrow. One thing that we can use to make sure that it doesn't get wide again whenever this pivot table is refreshed is by going to Pivot Table Analyze, going to Options, and we can click or unclick Auto Fit Column Width on Update under the Layout and Format tab, so that when it never gets refreshed, it will not become automatically wider based on the column names. Now, from here, we can go through and just kind of tweak the formatting of some of the column data within here to make it look a little bit better. So, for example, we can highlight the months, and then instead of the short date, we can click on War Number Format, go to Custom, and type month -YY, for example. This is all very subjective when it comes to data formatting, but this is kind of my preference. You can also go through and, for example, tweak the number formatting so it shows a more precise score by highlighting the score and clicking on under the Home tab, this option right here. We can even kind of remove these spaces right here. Instead of values, it is just a space, and highlight region, and now it's just a space. And as we can see, now we have a pivot table that looks a little bit better. There's some more options that you can also leverage to kind of change the layout as well, depending on what your data looks like. So go to Design tab, another couple things to filter through and to see how they look like. Your data is report layouts, depending on your data, shown compact form, outline form, or tabular form can help make your data look better or worse. You can also have the blank rows, so insert a blank row between each data set, or not have a blank row between each item. And you can also have grand totals as well, so on for rows and columns, which might not make the full sense depending on your data, but you can have it on for columns only. Now we have a grand total in our columns, and you can show or not show subtotals as well if you'd like to. Again, doesn't make full sense for this data, but key options to use whenever you are working through pivot tables. And lastly, you can quickly and easily adjust the style options by filtering through these boxes right here, having banded columns, for example. And now makes it to where each item is much more separated. And banded rows as well can make things even more separated. But you can also have column header, row headers, show or not show in the formatting. And in just a few minutes, our pivot table looks better. Not perfect by any means, but it looks better than the original one that we were working with and will print much easier. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.